Hey, we're back again, and we're about ready to show you the end result of the Skillet Shoodie Bread. Wait and see, I'm ready to pull it out of the oven.
So we're showing you the versatility of Shoodie Bread and how many different things you can make with this dynamic recipe. It's crazy. This is so good. It's not just a cornbread mix. We showed you initially this sweet potato skillet cake.
Look at that sweet potato skillet
that we
cake.
made with the Shoodie Bread.
Using Shoodie Bread. Look at it.
And
look, pineapples, pecans, vanilla, apple pie spice. Oh, you're gonna love this one.
You can do it with blueberries, blackberries, cherries, which is my husband's favorite dessert, peaches, apples, whatever fruit you want to use, and just spoon the Shoodie Bread on top. We added a little more pecans, and then we added some of our dynamic gourmet smoked brown sugar that we smoked with bourbon staves. It is so freaking good, guys. Look at that. Look how easy it comes out. Now, since it's a cake and it's warm, gonna add a little ice cream to it. Ooh wee! And watch it just melt on there. So this is like a butter pecan. It's store-bought. It's low-fat. It's good. It's the holidays, and we're gonna eat it up. So
I can see get ready
that
for
looks like.
some of this.
Look at that.
I want to get some.
Made with Shoodie Bread. He wants to get some, but I'm too busy showing.
Put it on the camera. Let me get a bite first.
Let's see what we got here.
Bread.
Little bread, little sweet potato. Now ice, look at it, it's just melting. Oh my gosh.
The crust. The pineapples and the brown sugar on top.
Baby!
Hold on.
This is a winner. And it's easy. You can do so much with Shoodie Bread. It's crazy.
Guys, this is one of the best ones right here.
Shoodie Bread Skillet Cake. We did it with sweet potatoes. Add a little pineapples to the sweet potatoes and some pecans. And of course our dynamic brown sugar. I am in heaven. Just the taste.
Love that crust on that.
Yes. And it was so easy.
Skillet bread.
Took us, what, maybe 10 minutes to get it in the oven with all the ingredients. Put it in the oven. Follow us, you guys, on YouTube. Keep It Spicy, Cooking with the Lows. And we got to create another channel called Shoodie World because this bread is out of this world. Go to Keep It Spicy, SPICEY.com to order any of our phenomenal items that we have. But you got to get you some Shoodie Bread. Get you two.
Get you some.
One for the freezer, one for the fridge.
Right.
Last 4 to 5 weeks in the refrigerator. 6 months in the fridge. Keep it spicy, no matter what room of the house you're in.
Get some for your friends if you need some.
Mwah.
Keep it spicy, no matter what room of the house you're in.
This is so freaking good. That's so good.
Hold up, guys. I'm gonna do this one more time.